Good morning everyone. So this is my video presentation about the midterm written intervention exam. So here I've chosen this problem. So the first question is that what are the city names after the title form? So the first process is the title form. This function converts all of the first letter in each city names converted into uppercase. The next program calculates these scores before sorting. So next is what are the scores before the sorting. So scores equals the length of the city name plus the ASCII value of its first letter is the formula for before sorting the scores. So if the city starts with letter B, there's an additional 20 points. So i-add lang ang ilang ASCII value sa first letter sa city name. So the length is for Manila is 6. 6 kay 6 man sila kabuo. So ang first letter man niya is letter M niya. Ang ASCII value sa M is 77. So 77 plus 6 is 83 and so on and so forth. For Cebu naman, the length is 4 and the ASCII value of C is 67. So the total is 71. And for the Davao is the length is 5 and the ASCII value of the letter D is letter D is 68. So the total score is 73. And for the Iloilo is the length is 6 plus the value of ASCII value of letter I is 73, so the total of 79. And for Butuan, the ASCII value of letter B is 66 and the length of Butuan is 6, so 6 plus 66 is equal to 72. So for the question number 3, which city receives the bonus? So the city that receives the bonus is based on which city is mas greater lesser ang ilang value sa nila score before the sorting. So ang naka-receive sa bonus is the city name of Butuan. So overall, the one that received is the word Butuan because of the lesser value overall compared to previous words. So sunod is what is the final sorted order. Sunod is mag-use na dahil og bubble sort pag compare sa kaning mga scores sa mga words. So sorting niya from lowest score to highest. So ang first city nga ma-print is the city of Cebu, then Davao, followed by Iloilo, Manila, then Butuan with 92 points. And lastly, for the complete output is dire ra magbase ang silhouette string, the city number string number 2, city string number 4. So ang ma-print is ang ang Cebu, Iloilo, and Butuan.